High in the Bavarian Alps stands a castle so magical it inspired Disney's most iconic creation. Welcome to Neuschwanstein Castle, the real-life fairy tale fortress of Germany. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of this architectural masterpiece and its enigmatic creator, the Fairytale King. Did you know? Neuschwanstein Castle wasn't built for protection like most castles. It was made as a private getaway by a shy and dreamy king who loved music and stories more than battles. His name was Ludwig II of Bavaria, also known as the Fairytale King. Before we dive into the magic of Neuschwanstein Castle, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories, incredible places, and fascinating facts from around the world. Now get ready to start your journey in this magical castle with us. Let the adventure begin. Neuschwanstein was never meant for crowds. It was King Ludwig II's private retreat, a sanctuary for his imagination. Ludwig spent only 11 nights here before his mysterious death, but soon after, the castle opened to the world. Today, over 1.4 million visitors a year walk these halls, drawn by the dream of a king who built his own legend. Despite its medieval appearance, Neuschwanstein was a marvel of 19th century technology. It boasted running water on every floor, central heating, automatic flushing toilets, and even a telephone line. Ludwig demanded comfort and innovation, making his fairy tale home as advanced as it was beautiful. Beneath the fantasy, it was a castle ahead of its time. This stunning structure, which looks like it was plucked straight out of a storybook, was started in 1869. Yet it's not even finished to this day. Inside, you'll find rooms themed after Wagner's operas, golden halls with no throne, and secret doors that lead nowhere. Here's a wild fact. Over 465 tons of marble, 400,000 bricks, and 600 tons of cement were used to build it. Yet it still looks like it's floating on clouds. No photography is allowed inside, so what secrets lie within? You'll have to keep watching to find out. The castle was supposed to include 200 plus rooms, but only 15 were finished. Many halls are still empty to this day, sealed off and frozen in time. One of the rooms has a secret man-made cave with fake stalactites and mood lighting, created inside the castle, simply because Ludwig wanted to feel like he was walking through a mythical grotto. For all its splendor, Neuschwanstein remains unfinished, a masterpiece frozen in time. Many planned rooms and features exist only in blueprints. Behind lavish halls lie empty, raw spaces. The castle's incomplete wings are a poignant reminder of Ludwig's ambition and the abrupt end of his dream. Neuschwanstein's silhouette is the blueprint for fantasy castles worldwide. Walt Disney visited, was captivated, and used it as inspiration for Sleeping Beauty's castle in Disneyland. Its iconic form now enchants millions, from theme parks to the Walt Disney Pictures logo. During World War II, Neuschwanstein became a Nazi depot for stolen art from across Europe. As the Allies advanced, the Nazis planned to destroy the castle and its treasures. The Monument's men arrived just in time, saving both the castle and over 21,000 priceless works. Neuschwanstein became a symbol of cultural survival. The name Neuschwanstein means New Swan Stone, a tribute to the swan knight Lohengrin, Ludwig's favorite mythical hero. Swans appear carved, painted, and sculpted everywhere in the castle. The swan is Neuschwanstein's ever-present symbol, honoring both local legend and Wagner's operas. Swans appear in murals, carvings, textiles, even the faucets. For Ludwig, the Swan embodied purity, chivalry, and the romantic ideals he cherished. It's the silent spirit of the castle. Ludwig's end remains shrouded in mystery. Declared unfit to rule, he was deposed and confined, then found dead in Lake Starnberg alongside his psychiatrist. The official story claims murder-suicide, but evidence suggests otherwise. To this day, the truth behind the fairy tale king's death is an unsolved enigma. The throne room, meant to resemble a Byzantine church, features no throne. Ludwig died before the throne was installed, and the massive hall remains eerily empty to this day. Neuschwanstein is now so iconic, it has been replicated around the world, including in Disneyland, Las Vegas, and even a theme park in Japan. From Marienbrücke, its image floats above the forest, a dream between earth and sky. Shared across the globe, it's a bucket list destination and a symbol of romantic beauty. Ludwig chose Neuschwanstein site for its sheer beauty, not strategy. Perched above gorges and lakes, the castle is in constant dialogue with nature. Its setting, mountains, forests, and changing seasons, makes it a living painting. Neuschwanstein is a dream carved in stone, a monument to imagination and wonder. Though unfinished, it endures as a symbol of beauty, myth, and the power of dreams. It's a stage for legends, a vault for history, and the personal vision of a king who longed for magic. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, keep seeking the wonder in the world around you.